Welcome to Kintsugi Moto. So what is Kintsugi? Its origins can be traced back to the ancient Chinese civilization, but the Japanese really popularized it with the repair of ceramics by using lacquer and gold to repair broken pottery, and the seams were highlighted rather than disguised or hidden. Kintsugi is also a philosophy that celebrates flaws or imperfection, and at Kintsugi Moto, we'll be applying this technique to antique, vintage, and classic cars and motorcycles. So there are plenty of others out there who are restoring 100-point concours winners, or maybe they're chopping them up to create some one-off custom car for their celebrity clients. Well, we won't be doing that here. Rather, we'll be finding them, fixing them, and filming them. So whether they're on jack stands, in junkyards, or just plain jalopies, we want to keep all the antique, vintage, and classic cars and motorcycles on the road. You might find a few builds on this channel. I simply can't stop myself from taking stuff apart because, while you're there. But most of these will be sympathetic restorations or tribute cars at worst. So we might take a base model and add the parts to make it a more deluxe model. But all the modifications we make will be completely reversible, just in case we want to return the project to 100% original. So join us at Kintsugi Moto as we scour the classifieds for the Ranwin Park project, or pick through the swap meets to find some new old stock parts, and rummage around junkyards to score that elusive unobtanium. And remember, always keep the rusty side up and the leaky side down.